Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? Hope you're all doing great. Thank you so much for coming back. And if you're just coming across this channel, I say thank you very much for stopping by. Please remember to like, subscribe to our channel, turn up the notifications so that you don't miss anything. So I just want to quickly show you how I made this delicious tomato paste, whole tomato paste, no added preservative or any other ingredient. So as you see from the beginning of this video, I already cleanly washed the large quantity of tomatoes I got, guys, and I make sure that I cut them open. I cut every single one of it open, and as you saw before, sometimes there might be something inside the tomato. Outside will be looking fresh, but there might be something inside it. If you don't cut it open, you will not be able to see it. So I advise you, whenever you want to use fresh tomatoes, wash, cut it open to see how the inside is, okay? So that way you don't eat jams. So these tomatoes, I got like four pots. Yes, 4 large pots. So first I want to start by boiling with these 3 pots because my gas burner has only 3 burners. So I started with these 3 pots. Then I started scooping out the water as it boils. I have variety ways of making tomato paste. So this one is one of them. I already shared some of them on my channel, so you can do well to check them out. So what I do is that as the water starts boiling, I start scooping them out. So because you don't want to burn your gas or let it waste. After all, the water is still going to dry out and evaporate. So I use my spoon to get them all scooped out. So as you can see here, they are all out. The water has been dried to a bearable minimum. Yes, it has been dried to that extent, and the next thing I did is to let it cool and proceed to grinding it. So if you have watched to this extent, please give our video a thumbs up. It makes me happy when you guys subscribe and thumbs up the video. Please do that. So after blending, here I have like about 12 these takeaway plates. Yes, 12 of it. And next thing is to store in my freezer. I let it freeze so it can last for a month. It can last you for me. Whenever I want to use it, just bring it out the freeze and you use it and you're good to go. Thank you.